Apply this to your hair and you will see how it grows uncontrolled in 7 days. The appearance that shows our hair is a reflection of health and is closely associated with our nervous state and the dyes that we carry. Almost all of us want to have healthy hair for aesthetics and personal image. It is very important to recognize if we have any problem on the scalp in order to give the hair a treatment from the root of the problem. The most fundamental is to have a healthy scalp, to be able to nourish, repair or stimulate hair growth. Because when our scalp is unhealthy, the hair begins to present certain symptoms that make us notice that something is not right. Nourishes, repairs and accelerates hair growth. The most common problems are excess fat, seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff, hair loss. Nourishes, repairs and accelerates hair growth with this. 1. Aloe vera. Cut 2 or 3 leaves of aloe vera, extract the pulp and take it to the blender. At the end of the process, apply the cream all over the scalp, giving you gentle massages, and leave it applied as for half an hour. 2. Horsetail. You will prepare an infusion with the horse's tail and the resulting water you will use to rinse your hair after giving the shampoo. 3. White clay. In a little warm water you will mix 100 grams of white clay powder until you get a cream, then apply it on the scalp, leave it to act for 10 minutes, after this time you remove it with warm water. 4. Potato water. Put a few potatoes in a good amount of water, this liquid will serve to rinse your hair. The starch that potatoes contain is the ingredient that will help us grow our hair,